Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to handle alerts in Selenium as part of Selenium beginner tutorials. So let's get started. So what are alerts in Selenium? An alert in Selenium is a small message box which appears on the screen to give the user some information or a notification. It notifies the user with some specific information or error, asks for a permission to perform certain task, and it also provides some warning messages as well. And there are three types of different alerts we have. We can see in Selenium, that are simple alerts, prompted alerts, and confirmation alerts. So simple alerts are messages which give some information or a warning, where we have an only action to accept it, called OK button. And we have a prompted alerts, and this prompted alerts ask the user to provide some input message and can accept the alert. And whereas confirmation alerts, which gives us both the informations like accept and decline that alert. So we'll see in the code how can we handle these alerts as part of Selenium automation. In case if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and jump into the Eclipse browser. So here I have a Maven project. So under that Maven project, we have a source test src java. So I will create a new class and package here. So my package will be alerts handling, and my class name will be alert demo 1, and we need a main method. So let's click on finish. So here we got a structure of a class. Now under that we need to provide system set properties and pointing to which kind of browser we are using. So let me do it. That system dot set property. Under that property we need to provide property value and green. And in the value section I need to provide the server location and exe file location of the browser. So here I have a folder where I'm maintaining all the exe file locations. So I will copy that location of exe file of Chrome browser, and after that I will paste it in my value pair, and my system set property is ready. Now I need to initiate the browser. I need to initiate the driver. For that I will use WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver, and here driver dot get. So this get will provide the URL of our application. So let me show you the sample alerts. So this is a sample HTML page where I have created an alert, which is a sample alert. So this page says hello, I am an alert box, where I can use only the OK button or accept this dialog. So let's see the XPath. So here I have alert ID. I will use the same ID in my first. Let me use this URL. So I am using an HTML document. In case if you have any web page, you can use the web page, and same code will be available in the web page as well. So driver dot find element by dot ID, and ID will be my, I need to copy the ID value. ID will be alert, and dot I need to click the alert. So for that I will say click. So till here it's normal, and after you clicking on this button, you will see this dialog coming up, or alert coming up here. So to accept this alert, or you need to perform any action on this alert, you need to use a alert class. So for that, this is the alert which offered by Selenium. So we need to import that, and alert equal to, and here we need to use driver dot switch to. So switch to is nothing but you are switching to something like alert. So driver dot switch to alert, and my reference will be alert. So here I wanted to read this value or read this text from the alert. So for that I will use alert. I will say string alert message. Alert message equal to my alert dot get text. So this will get the text of my alert, and I will say system dot print. I will say print on my console to view that message. So my alert message is, and I will append that alert here, and in the next step I will say alert dot accept, and after that I will say driver to quit. So far what we have did, we have created a system set property, initiated a browser using a WebDriver, and we are getting an URL, and after that we are finding an XPath, and we are creating an alert class where we are switching from a driver to switch to alert, and after that switching we will be fetching that alert text, and after that we will accept that alert, then we will say driver to quit. So let's quickly save this program and let me quickly run. I think I used some different naming convention here. Let me rewrite this. Let me save this program and again run. So my browser launched successfully, and you can see it says my alert message is hello, I am alert box. So if you can see here, it says hello, I am alert box, and it says, and it accepted that alert. So this is simple alerts. So I will show you in next, I will create another class where I will show you the prompted alerts. Prompt alerts, and I will need the main method again. So let me copy these 2 lines so that it could be easy for us. So now prompted alerts, we'll see how we can handle the prompted alerts. So in the prompted alerts, when you click on this, you will dialog alert box will be prompting out, where it will say some information. It will need some messages or some input to be accepted, that alert. So it needs an alert that accepts some information. It's a prompted alerts. So for this, how can we handle this one? So this is a URL, and let me jump into my Eclipse, and I will say driver dot get, and after that driver dot find element by dot, let's see XPath for this. Let me see the XPath. It says button and text. Okay, let me write an XPath here. In case if you are new to this writing an XPath, you can do watch my video on XPath, where I covered entire the access methods and different XPaths. How can you do that? I will share link in the description section. Do watch that video in case if you're new to finding this XPaths. Contains text. So this is how we find the XPath, which is a relative XPath. I will share the link in the description section. You can watch that entire video, which is very useful in the Selenium web automation. So now I will say dot click. So this will click the alert, and then after you will see an alert coming up. Then again you need to accept this alert, and you need to send some information. So first we will do something like create an alert class. After that, equal to driver dot switch to dot alert. Then after I will say first we will try to read what alert it is. So for that I will use string alert message equal to alert dot get text. Then I will say system dot println, system to print something on the console which I will find in the alert text box. So I will say my alert message is, and I will say to that alert message should be appended here. So then after I will try to send some information. So it is accepting some input. We need to provide some input. So that input we can provide using a send keys. So I will say alert dot send keys. So send keys I will say I can provide any name. So based on requirement you can provide anything. So I will provide my channel name here. So then after I will say after that we need to accept the alert. Alert dot accept. So after providing information you need to accept it, and then after if you see some messages, so whenever you accept any alert, that will create some confirmation or some alert kind of information in the web page, or you will get an any dialog. So here I have created one information where you can see the alert like message here. So I will take this and I will say let me store this in a string success message equal to driver dot find element by dot id, and after that I will say I will last okay, I need to get the text. And then after that I will say driver to quit, driver dot quit. So what we have did in this program, so it is a prompted alert. So prompted alert will accept some information and after that it will close. So we need to provide some information, then after we can close the prompted dialog. And here we have created a alert class here. Then after that we have getting that alert messages. Then after we are sending some information to that alert. After that we are accepting that alert. Then after we are trying to retrieve the success message. Then after we are creating the browser. So let me use system.out.print. So success message, and I will close. So I will say the success message after alert is accepted. So I will save this program and again I will run it. So let me rerun again. So here you can see it has opened that alert and it says please enter your name. Then after the success message is hello SH Study Tech, how are you today? So this is what the prompted alerts are. I will now demonstrate the confirmation alerts. So confirmation alerts are pretty much simple. So that is a combination of both simple alert and then prompted alert. So prompted alert will accept some messages. Here you can accept or decline this. So I will show you how can you decline this. Okay, now I will try to create another class. I will say this as confirmation alerts and I will say finish. And we need this 2 lines of code. So where we will try to set the properties and initiate the browser instance. So driver dot find, let me use this driver dot get first. So for that I will take this URL, and after that driver dot find element, driver dot find element, so by dot, again I'm using this driver dot get, driver dot get, and after that I will inspect this element, which is, so I will take this time, I will copy from here, which will give you the absolute XPath. So I will use now absolute XPath. Driver dot find element by dot XPath, and after the XPath I will provide absolute XPath dot click element, click method. Then after I will use alerts, and after that I will create driver dot switch to dot alert. Then after I will say alert message, so I need to copy that alert message equal to alert dot get text, and I will print that into console. For that I will use alert message is, and I will try to append that alert message. Then after I will say alert dot, this time I will say decline using dismiss, and then after I will say I will wait for, okay, I will try to not to provide driver dot quit. So far we have created alerts class here. After that we are taking alert message and we are printing in the console, and we are trying to decline this time. So it gives us two informations where you can alert accept and decline. Then after you will get a message called you pressed OK or you pressed cancel. So I will take this information and I will print on the console. String alert info equal to driver dot find element by dot id dot get text, and after that sys out I will say my alert information. Then after that I will append that alert here and save, and I will again now run the program. See, it has opened the prompt and it has cancelled the prompt. You can see the message over here, it has cancelled. So this is how we can handle the three types of alerts: confirmation alerts, prompted alerts, simple alerts. And I hope this session is very useful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. In the next video I will try to provide you the information how can you handle the pop-ups in the different browsers like IE browser, Edge browser, Firefox browser, Chrome browser. How can you handle the pop-ups? So pop-ups are different from alerts. So there are different coding structures we need to follow based on our purpose. So I will demonstrate that in the upcoming videos. And don't forget, share your comments in my comment section. Thank you for watching.